Let's look at how to create a simple packet sniffer in Python. We'll use Scapy, a powerful Python library for network packet creation, manipulation, and dissection. Keep in mind that you should only use this tool for lawful and ethical purposes, and only on networks that you are authorized to access. As part of our ethical hacking toolset, understanding network traffic down to the packet level is a critical skill for identifying potential vulnerabilities or breaches in a system. Today, I'll guide you on creating a Python-based packet sniffer that specifically captures and analyzes TCP packets, which are commonly used in most internet communication. We're using Scapy, a robust Python library that allows us to handle network traffic at a packet level. In the Python script, we use Scapy's sniff function to capture network packets. The count parameter sets the limit on how many packets we want to capture. The prn parameter indicates a function that's called with each captured packet, in our case, process_packet. The lFilter parameter is used to apply a filter that only processes TCP packets. In the process_packet function, we delve into the layers of each packet to extract the data we need. We check if the packet has a TCP layer, and if it does, we retrieve the IP and TCP layers using the getLayer method. From there, we extract and print the source and destination IP addresses and ports, as well as the TCP flags, which can tell us about the type of TCP packet, whether it's initiating a connection, acknowledging data, or closing a connection. Remember, as an ethical hacker, your role is to improve system security. Always obtain the necessary permissions before sniffing network packets. Unauthorized sniffing can lead to severe legal consequences and is against ethical guidelines. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll delve even deeper into the captivating realm of network analysis and cybersecurity. As always, happy coding!